and speaks volumes for people's intellect and also their broad-mindedness to accept it.
हा जो feminist view आहे तुमचा, तो
Yeah, it's a feminist view. The first film which got Guardian is basically that if you force your child into marriage, it's tantamount to rape. It was extremely strong, and in 91, 92, I don't think the North Indians really liked it, and they just thought it was a bit too much. The 2 years later, Anjam, again, it was a question of you cannot submit to a man's desire or to a man's passion just because he's willing to buy you or force you or throw you. And as a result of which, an angered woman can actually destroy you. And it was slightly black. But I think Shah Rukh and Madhuri did a good job.
मध्येच मी इंटरप्ट तुम्हाला केलं होतं कारण लेखनाचा उल्लेख निघाला होता आणि तो फेमिनिस्ट व्ह्यू जो होता, कारण त्याच्यामध्ये महाराष्ट्र टाइम्सचं जे अवॉर्ड आहे ते सरांना त्यासाठी मिळालेलं होतं, म्हणून मी फक्त इंटरप्ट केलं होतं. तर तुम्ही आणखीन पुढे आपल्याला जे विचारायचं आहे ते विचारू शकता.
Nowadays it's a world of digital photography. In your days, maybe, and today also, but the manual photography or manual still photography is still good. But do you think there has been some difference between that era and this era?
Photography is now like a fountain pen, isn't it? Because you've got cameras that do 90% of the work, and the rest of it, Adobe Photoshop does it for you. So in a way, I think it's lovely if you're literate and you've got a pen, you can write. Similarly, if you've got a visual, if you've got memories, you've got friends coming over, you've got relatives coming over, you go to a party, you go to a disco, you have a special girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever, you want to click pictures, which are great moments, at least you've got cameras with which you can take. I mean, 10, 15 years ago, oh God, we had such lovely people, but that damn camera, all the pictures were underexposed. Oh, I opened the camera and I forgot to get the roll process. You don't have that kind. It's become extremely friendly. So you should not fight technology. Technology is good. Yeah. It's always good, but not all technology is good for progress. I think digital is, but there are certain problems with digital. One thing is that, don't forget that in 1839, Daguerre started photography. So photography had a 170-year head start before digital came in. So the kind of refinement and the kind of quality of films, the kind of processing and the kind of emulsions that film had, those I'm afraid digital has not yet quite equal, because digital tends to be a little more, inherently it's much more contrasting. So your picture from 45 to 55 either goes towards 60 or goes towards 40, which means that your contrast, your shadows increase or your highlights increase. The middle tones are still in a very precarious condition. That's one of the reasons why even Hollywood is still shooting films on film and not on digital. Only special effects are done on digital. Otherwise, the really Eastman Kodak company would have closed down, along with Kodak and along with Kodachrome and Ektachrome. It hasn't.
Would you like to ask something?
आता तुम्ही इतर कलरचा वगैरे उल्लेख केलात. याच्यामध्ये ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईट हे पिक्चर्स करणं आणि ईस्टमन कलर किंवा कलरफुल आपण ज्याला म्हणतो, तर या दोन्हीपैकी जास्त काय महत्वाचं, आणि या बाबतीत विलास भेंडे हे काहीतरी तुम्हाला सांगायचंय.
I want to ask you people a question. What do you prefer? Do you prefer black and white or do you prefer color when you really want to see a picture that tells your story? I better start singing a tune that is in sur with you. What do you like? I'll tell you what I like. I personally think that color is wonderful. I mean, if you didn't have color, how would you have seen on any of your television channel, Discovery or whatever, how people in the Amazon Valley lived, or what butterflies did, or the insides of planet Earth and stuff like that. I think color has got immense documentary importance, and that there is no question about. But if you're looking at it entirely from a portraiture point of view, I think you strip the colors off the person's face and you actually get down to the character, get down to the bone structure, and you get down to the lighting. So black and white photography is something which will always remain special and will always remain any photographer's favorite. We've got a great Pune photographer sitting right here amongst us, Mr. Satish Paknikar. Where is he? Namaskar. What do you prefer, black and white or color? There you are. 2 against all of you. Acha. So I'm saying that maybe at this moment of time, digital is going through a process of evolution. Another I'm not saying 2 generations of your lives. I'm saying 2 generations of cameras will probably bridge that middle tone gap. But at this moment of time, it's not the same. And of course, if your camera is going to do 90% of the work, that means every one of you is a photographer. You don't really need specialists like us, but you still need to know lighting. Because what is photography? What is photography? Come on, brilliant students. Photography. Photo is light. Graphy is writing. Writing with light. So if you don't know light, what will you write?
अतिशय सुंदर असं स्पष्टीकरण केल्यानंतर पुढचा माझा प्रश्न असा येतोय की या फोटोग्राफीमध्ये भावनेला किती महत्व आहे आणि तंत्राला किती महत्व आहे म्हणजे एक्सप्रेशन्स अँड टेक्निक.
See, Vilas Bhende taught us many things. Vilas Bhende is probably one of the greatest gurus of photography. He died prematurely at the age of 52.